Hey all, Shakar Singh here. As I think many of you might know, I lead solutions here at Copy.ai, which means a good part of my day is really helping customers understand the magic of our platform, how they actually use the cool tools that we're building, and how they actually get value out of them in production. And one of the most important things that we've recognized that is critical for both our users and our customers to understand is really the backdrop of what's happening when you're building a workflow. And ultimately, what actions are available, what actions are, and how our workflows platform can utilize these actions in order to build the amazing things that you are trying to build with our platform. So as a part of the Action Gallery effort, what we will do is ensure that we are both providing you a synopsis of what an action is, how you can think about using it, the various components of the different options that we might have available in an action, and then actually talk through a handful of very simple use cases that we hope both provide context as well as inspiration for how you can think about incorporating these actions into your own workflows. That said, no worries. As always, we will share the workflows themselves.